Hey everyone, so I just wanted to make sure we correct something on the previous video which I used to do. So right now you can go into any folder. Let's say I want to go into test project folder and I do ag dot, it's gonna work. Awesome, great. So I can see my WSL folder and you can see the reason because of it is I have this thing working. That is awesome. There is one problem with it which I was testing and I'm sure people came across, but it just works. So if I'm back in my, let me clear this up. If I'm back here and if I want to make sure that I can go, this works in VS Code by the way, and if I want to do this way, this will fail. It doesn't do anything. It is not able to open that up. That's because right now it's only focused on the present working directory and it will only be able to open that. So I found out this update. So if I uncomment this and I use this part of it, and AGY is also now the official short form which anti-gravity is using. So I just changed it to that. But whenever you use AGY, it generally opens a Windows terminal instead of the Linux terminal within WSL. So I just updated it a little bit. So the line 134, that's one thing added. This looks for the first argument. So you can see it here. And if you don't provide one or just type like AGY and dot, the dot defaults to it to the current directory. So it doesn't need to like, so it depends. So either if you give one or if you don't give one, it will be taking it as it is. And in the next line, line 136, so it kind of basically converts the relative path, like whatever I gave, like dot dot dash, right? So it's not the exact path. So it converts it into the absolute path. Since it's ultimately a Windows executable, it needs the full resolved path to make sure that the app doesn't get lost. And then instead of using the present working directory, it changes to the absolute path, and that's what it uses. So that's how we are updating this command to use it correctly. So now if I source this and if I use ag.test project, there you go. It opens it up and it's opening a WSL terminal, as you can see, and that's it. Awesome. So hopefully this helps. That way you can use the existing one and it still works for you. So you just need to know, make sure where your anti-gravity is installed and it should work smoothly without any interruption. So thank you so much.